Hey guys, the love of my life. I still absolutely love this one. I think, for me, the most exciting announcement is obviously that, I'm gonna work with Bulgari and we have this perfect event, and we might actually think, depending on how this one goes, think about doing a second bigger event where more of you can join us. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So it is a beautiful day in London. We're on our way to Bulgari now because I have an announcement. I'm probably gonna be hosting an official event with Bulgari soon. So for anybody who's in London and you actually want to come, I'm gonna give you more instructions later. I need to speak to them to figure out what the deal is. But yeah, I was very happy to hear about that. If it can be arranged somehow, with the move going on, with my operation that's coming up, then I'm definitely gonna do it. I'm very excited to talk to them about it. So maybe we get a nice little look at the new bags as well. And can I just say, guys, that I love my Bottega so much. I honestly enjoy carrying her a lot. But we're gonna have a look at Chanel and Dior later on as well. First, let's go to Bulgari. Here we are, guys, Bulgari, and it's such a stunning spring day. This one's new. It's like an iridescent pinkish lizard serpentine forever top handle. It's quite pretty. Here we have some new eclipse bags. That's a beautiful reddish. It's almost like a magenta red, right? And look at this python piece. Caro skin is one of my favorite exotic bags, guys, because it's so durable, yet it's an exotic. With python, for example, you have to be super careful. Caro skin, however, is very durable. There we have some capuchon bags. Look at this one, very understated clutch. Teeny tiny new bag, that's cute, maybe we'll try that one on. Look at this beauty, it's a beautiful golden leather. Wrinkled, yet it's shiny. It almost looks like matte gold, like aged gold. Really gorgeous, and then of course the beautiful head with a million crystals. Guys, look at this. A teeny tiny little serpentine forever. It's a back charm. So the event that I'm going to host with Bulgari, I'm gonna put the date up there. It's gonna take place on that day. If you are in London and you want to attend, it's gonna be a shopping and styling session. You can write me an email. Dina's already there. I'm gonna show you some bags. So you can write me an email. I'm gonna put all the information in the description box below. My email address as well. You can find this on my contact and about page on YouTube too. And then we go from there. Okay, so let me show you two very special and beautiful bags. Dina, do you want to tell me about this one?
We have the Fuji dial, top handle serpentine forever. We have the shaded metallic lizard in rose gold. You can really see amazing the color.
Oh, gorgeous. And this is mother of pearl scales again.
With the mother of pearl, so this is 5,400.
And for the Fuji?
Fuji is 22,000.
22,000. Wow. Okay, let's try these on, guys. Here we are with the Fuji Serpentine Forever top handle bag, and it is such a beauty. You have to come and see these pieces in reality. So we have one here in Bond Street and there's another one in Harrods. I love the top handle, guys. I have the medium size in the Serpentine Forever top handle. I definitely still want a small one at some point. Looks good, huh? Even with a casual outfit like today's. It looks almost grey or white from afar as well, right? But it's not. It's like this very beautiful rose gold metallic. Really difficult to capture it. There, you can see it. It looks actually more pinkish in reality than it does on camera. And look at this, the mother of pearl scales. Look at this masterpiece. I just spotted it behind me. Isn't it gorgeous? I mean, I'm a sucker for pearls. Dina actually has some history for this one.
This is our 75th anniversary.
Wow.
Serpentine forever, and you can see it's really gorgeous treatment in your back.
It's incredible. And let's look inside. Is it a very light pink interior? Oh, that goes so well with the gold. And look at this little cupcake. Isn't it gorgeous? So this is Galusha Stingray. absolutely durable exotic leather as well. Look how rich the gold is. And let's open this as well, Dina, because it's so cute. I have to show you the interior. Here we are. And by the way, yes, this is the gold plated. I always tell you my Bulgari bags are gold plated, and I absolutely love that. That's why you have this rich gold, you know, it really pops. Is this not handbag heaven / eye candy? Look at what I just spotted here. Such a beautiful crocodile bag. Guys, look at these beauties. I think this is Bulgari's new it bag, the serpentine top handle. Et voila, my absolute favorite. This pink beauty. I know we've seen it before. I love it. Guys, this is the new Baya bag. And here we have a classic serpenti in the same kind of. Hey guys, the love of my life. I still absolutely love this one. Which color would you choose? I think they come in a white as well, the gray, the gold, the pink and black. The gold is quite nice as well, isn't it? I think the leather is just incredible, guys. You know, this is the real quality, will last your lifetime. It's an inheritance piece. That's why I love Bulgari so much. Plus, guys, you have lifelong aftercare service. And if we're already doing all of them, let's do the grey one as well. Very understated, right? Very subtle, silent luxury. The debate is going on. Yeah, I like it. Guys, I know I've shown you this one before, but every time catches my attention. Jacob always says, give Romina a snake and the girl is happy. So that's absolutely right. It's a nice pop of color. So guys, this is the new Baya bag, or bay. Baya actually means bay in Italian. Here we have a little twilly wrapped around, really beautiful. You have the classic serpenti forever hat there with the malachite eyes. Absolutely gorgeous. And it comes with 2 straps.
3 actually.
Oh, 3 straps.
Inside, so you can play it. Limited numbers, unlimited numbers.
Yeah, that's incredible. I think it comes in gold versions as well, right? With gold straps. I think the pink one has gold. And look at this, you know, you could even just carry it on one strap, obviously, let the other one hang down, and it looks really fancy. Oh, guys, so look at this.
See if I can make that work easily from the first time.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Do this. And you can do exactly the same thing on the outer side as well.
Yeah.
And then you can attach one to the other as well.
Okay. And you can also just wear it as a little clutch then, right? Yeah, gorgeous.
This.
Or you make a longer strap. Okay guys, so here we are with a longer strap drop. It sits at a really nice height. It's a perfect spring and summer companion. And of course, what I was thinking, you can of course just wear it as a clutch. You can even extend it more, guys. You have another 3rd strap that's a little bit shorter than the 2 main ones, and it comes in like a little leather bag. That's the quality. And guys, look at this, the little pochette that the strap comes in matches the same leather lining on the inside of the bag. Okay guys, so that was rather a short video. However, we've seen beautiful pieces in my opinion. I think, you know, for me the most exciting announcement is obviously that, you know, I'm gonna work with Bulgari and we have this perfect event, and we might actually think, depending on how this one goes, think about doing a second bigger event where more of you can join us during summer. And then of course there will be more time. I will inform you about this earlier so that you have time to plan, maybe come to London if you already live in London, make sure that you're free that day and join us. So yeah, so if you want to join, okay. Should we have a quick look at Chanel? Quick look in Fenwick as well. We have some Fendi Zucca print bags here, vintage ones. And also a Birkin, and another Birkin, and another Birkin. By the way, guys, this is the outfit. I still love my Ugg boots, the platform Ugg boots so much. And I got my little Bottega, which is like the perfect everyday companion. Yeah, and some classic Chanel bags, guys. They had a lot more Chanel bags at some point. They must have all sold. And some Dior's. Okay, so here we have the new Chanel 22 mini bag. I've not seen one before, but this is how it looks like. Okay, so Look at this. This is from the latest collection as well, the little star. I think it's incredibly expensive. I think it goes as for the same price as Minudairs go for. Would I spend my money on this? Probably not. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, join our little handbag obsessed family here, because we all do have the same luxury disease. Yes, we do. Bye!